Welcome back, everybody. How you been? How's the family? Kids doing well? I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. Wow, where does the time go? It's been almost 2 months off. Nothing really has changed over here. In the last episode, I was able to identify what was going on with the transmission, get that fixed, and now really all that's left is putting everything back together again. But Ben, wait, why is all the steering stuff taken apart? Well, if you remember, at the last drift event, I didn't have enough camber and ended up understeering a ton. And I'm unfortunately maxed out on the adjustment that my coilovers have here. So the next step in adjusting steering is to extend the lower control arms. And so here's a brand new lower control arm for a Nissan 240SX. Amazingly, with the bushings already pressed in and a brand new ball joint, these cost $20. Yeah. So really, all you gotta do is you chop it right here, space it out just a little bit using these supplied spacers from Villains Drift. These things are awesome. Totally recommended, great little product here. And basically just chop, fit this in, bumps it out, weld it back together, and we're Gucci. But why do we need more camber? Why do we need more camber? Camber is the angle of your tire relative to the car. The more it moves in, the more negative camber that you have. So the reciprocal of your camber measured in degrees squared times your ride height in centimeters divided by the amount of horsepower you have equals the number of Instagram likes you'll get. But before any of that fun can happen, we gotta put this thing back together. Alright, well that was completely miserable, but I was able to get the exhaust put back together, the drive shaft back in, the exhaust manifolds back in place, and just tied it up a little bit underneath the car. Tune in next time when we actually have the time and the ability to chop up these control arms, weld them back together, and also install my modified drift knuckles. As always, thank you so much for watching. Try and get back into the swing of things here, especially now that it's cooling off. We'll grab our pumpkin spice latte, we'll get to work, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.